I do like how just how friendly a lot of people are. I feel like I can talk to anybody, and from top management down to new guys, you know, right off the street. Everybody seems really cool. Everybody's really nice and friendly, and you can get along and find something in common with just about anybody here. You know,
they were real open, very friendly atmosphere, very welcoming. It's almost like family.
Everyone's always wanting to help, and everyone says hi and waves and smiles.
I like that I'm never doing the same thing every day. I like problem solving, troubleshooting, working with management, figuring out ways that we can run better production.
It's easier than what it appears. DENSO will take the time to teach you in a way that you are able to learn.
but yeah, it's hard work and it's hot. But I mean, shoot, DENSO gives us Gatorade, like an unlimited amount of Gatorade in the summer, and that is awesome. That is great.
I think it's a good environment. You have a lot of opportunities.
There's so many opportunities for you, whether you're on the floor, in the office, if you want to be in management, like all the programs they have now, they're just very helpful.
I would recommend somebody to work here at DENSO because there's a lot of room for growth in your career. And it's a solid company that's been here for a long time.
As big of a company as DENSO is, I don't feel like I'm expendable. They train you and get you caught up to speed with what's going on here. They don't want to get rid of you at the drop of a hat. They've invested time into you, and they want to keep you here.
The benefits here, I think, are really good. I've looked around and compared to what's out there.
You know, I've worked for other companies out there, and I mean, this 401k is better than any other one out there.
But DENSO has our pharmacy, we have our cafeteria, it's a full cafeteria, not machines.
They just remodeled the cafeteria. I thought it was a neat place when I first got hired in here, but now they remodeled it, and I really like the cafeteria.
I use a pharmacy. It's cheaper than going to like Walgreens and stuff. You get your stuff way cheaper, and it'd be faster. You ain't gotta wait a long time.
We got a family health with doctors on staff, you know, so I mean, there's a lot of benefits, man, to working at DENSO.
So I use the rec center a lot. That I'm really grateful for. You know, it's free. Work out anytime you want. And my wife and I, we had probably 2 to 3 times a week, we hit the rec center.
Yeah, DENSO was paying a lot more than a lot of the other factories, so I say if I'm going to work in a factory, I might as well get the top pay.
My mom and dad work here too in the EVAP, so it's kind of like a family business going on over here.
I got to do a lot because of DENSO. I got to get married because of DENSO. I've been on vacations, and I'm looking forward to buying my first new home from working at DENSO. So, yeah.
One last thing to say about DENSO. Come work at DENSO. It's cool. And that's the end of the video. There, I did the hard part for you.